In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use ChatGPT for writing emails and email marketing for your affiliate products. This software is crazy, and it's about getting to learn the commands that you need to use to be able to do that. So firstly, we're on. You need to go over here and register at openai.com. Now, the software is free. You can pay, but everything I've been doing is free. And it just continues to amaze me what you can actually do with this software. This is what it looks like after you've signed up. You go over here and you've got this login box. I think there is a Chrome extension you can use too. Moving on, let's have a look. So I wanted to write an email. This is for people that say that they don't know how to write email. They don't know how to create subject lines and things like this. So I've already done this. So what I typed in here, I want you to act as a professional email subject line copywriter. Think of subject lines that are catchy and attention grabbing and will encourage people to click and read email. The subject line should be short, concise and direct. They should also be creative and clever. I haven't spaced it, but this software is clever that it worked it out anyway. Try to come up with subject lines that are unexpected and surprising. Do not use subject lines that are too generic or subject lines that have been used too many times before. My first email is about affiliate marketing free training course. I haven't even spelt marketing right, and it's sorted that out. So here are the 10 subject lines that it's came up with. Now, what I did from there, I've gone down and I've then said, please generate an email, which for the first one here, which was unlock the secrets of affiliate success, join our free training course. So I've said, please generate an email for unlock the secrets of affiliate success in our free training course. And here it is, it's generated email. And it assumes that you're using an opt-in with a recipient's name. In other words, dear first name. If you're collecting people's emails, it would say dear Fred or dear Kathy, whatever person is registered. Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level? Unlock the secrets of success. So you go through and it says, why should you join our free training course? It uses some bullet points. It gives you these reasons why you should. And then it says, don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity to unlock the secrets of affiliate success. Tongue-tied. Secure your spot in our free training course now by clicking on the link below. It even has, in brackets, CTA button, in other words, the call to action button. All I did was then highlighted this, hyperlink this, and then it creates also some urgency. Remember, this training course is completely free, but the knowledge and skills you will gain are invaluable. Seize this chance to supercharge your affiliate marketing journey and pave your way to financial freedom. Act fast as spots are limited. Sign up now and embark on a transformational affiliate marketing journey to your success, and then you can put whatever you want. So now what I've done, I've gone over and I've put all those details, copy and pasted into my autoresponder to my automated emailing system, and I've just now sent it out. It's about 9 o'clock in the US, I believe. So I'll update you on how it went. I will be interested to see what the open rates were, the number of people that have clicked through to the link that I've put in that email. All right, so thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, it'd be great if you subscribe to get updated when I post new videos. And if you've got any comments or questions, leave them below. If you want to get a copy of the free training, there'll be a link in the description below. You can see what I'm talking about. So that's how you can use ChatGPT to automate your email campaigns for affiliate marketing.